everyone, we all know that for most people around the world, studying is the last thing we want to see. But there are helpful tricks so you feel motivated to study. So in this video, I'll show you how you can study better than you do. Let's begin. Tip number 1. Eat healthy. Eating healthy keeps us energized. We need to eat healthy so our brain can process new information. Eating food like grapes and walnuts will do the trick. Tip number 2. Ask questions. Asking questions to our family and friends or teachers help us master a subject. People who success ask questions. Tip number 3. Make learning fun. Hobbies we like to do like art, Legos, and swimming can be combined with our learning. You can work with friends and share ideas. Once I had a project and I combined my love of crafts with my project. As you can see over here, here's an example. Tip number 4. Sleep early. We need to sleep early to keep us healthy in the morning and also be productive. So I hope this video helped you become motivated. There are many ways we can help ourselves become motivated to study. Work hard and you will always be successful in the future. Follow these tips and you'll see.